gonna need some wire cutters. Move that way. Okay, so that was Sookie. She's been back here, I don't know how long. I heard a hollering. I've walked way, I'm breathing hard. I've walked way back from where the house is, the back, see, in the swampy area of the property. She was hung back here on this back fence. So got her out, but I could hear for about, I don't know, for about an hour this morning. And sometimes you'll hear that and it's just a younger, I could tell it was a younger goat by its sound, but they'll get lost. All the goats will come back here and they'll leave, the bigger goats, and then the little goat will be out here wandering around hollering. And then they'll eventually hear another goat and make their way back to it. But I was like, she's not leaving that same spot. It sounds like, you know, you can tell she's in the exact same spot hollering. And then it started to really sound like she was in distress. So I thought, let me go check that back fence. And sure enough, there she was, hung. Get goats, they said. It'll be fun. It'll keep you entertained, I can tell you that. It'll keep you busy. Anyway.